Where to find the best sites. Legal and paralegal careers. Howdy! You want more information about how to become an HVAC parts supplier? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to become an HVAC parts supplier is www.rjmurray.com. See the page titled HVAC Parts and Supplies HVAC Manufacturer Product Line. Here's the link. You can also try www.linuxcommercial.com, especially the page How to Select the Right HVAC Equipment for Optimal. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.minisplitwarehouse.com. The web page Mini-Split Warehouse 877-770-3548, Mini-Split Air. This is the link.